Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Alright, so we got the headlights, front bumper off. Got the ECU halfway off. Pins look awesome. Looks like it held its seal. I'm gonna take off the second one right now. See what it looks like. But all in all, looks great. And that intercooler is beautiful. Took the carpet out. Looks pretty good. But what the important part is these door panels completely dry inside.
See, it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California.
Other than that, she looks good. Here's this section, wet. Carpet's wet. I'm not sure if we're gonna buy a new one or if we're just gonna clean this one real good. Rear seats, bumper. Here she is in pieces. Oil is coming out of it next. Out of the trans motor. Diff possibly. Got a little bit of water coming out. That's not supposed to be coming out your engine, huh? That is dirt. And here comes the oil. Nice and ripe. Not that much water in there at all. Still looks bad. A couple flushes. They'll be just fine. Alright, let's see what this transmission looks like.
Oh my.
Looks good.
Udanie popłało.
Transmission fluid looks good. Water did not get in. Didn't penetrate the transmission. Even though there are a couple spots that I don't like coming off the transfer case. Alright, now let's take off the intercooler. Alright, let's see what the intercooler looks like. Looks dry. Looks really good. Body control module out of the car. What we're gonna end up doing is cleaning it. At least trying to. Call the dealership. They have a body control module for 180 bucks. So it's not too terrible, but let's see if we can make some magic happen. I just don't want to take the car into the dealership to get it reprogrammed. But that is where the problem lies. Let's see if we can fix it.